All right, yo. So we got Subways. So the sound, something happened with the sound. So basically, what I got is I got a steak sub with chipotle sauce on it, lettuce, tomatoes, banana peppers, onions, oil and vinegar. Look at it again, y'all. It's nice and thick. Oh, and I got double meats as well. Take this first bite. Oh, and I got it's on a foot-long hero, so this is pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking good. Yeah, I had to DoorDash that shit because I didn't feel like going, but yes. This shit is hitting though. Look how thick this sandwich is. That's why I always tell them I want double meats. Because if it was just regular, it wouldn't have been this thick. But this sandwich is busting. So good. Take another bite. Yeah. They did that in my sandwich. What? They're gonna do it every time. Every time. Yes, had to dance a little bit. It's so motherfucking good. And I haven't had steak sub in a minute, so I just wanted to try it again. Next time, y'all, I think I'm going to try a meatball, because I haven't had a meatball sub in a while. But this shit right here, I'm telling you, this shit is everything. Look how fucking thick that shit is, y'all. Oh, my gosh. And y'all know I love me a sloppy sandwich anyway. Here we go, another bite. What? Let me tell y'all, I did not finish that other half because this was just enough. But yes, if it ain't thick like this and sloppy, then I don't want it. So when y'all go to Subway, make sure y'all get that motherfucking double meats. Yes, look how thick. All that steak. Later.